Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. We are from group 13. So today we want to presentation about our topic is movie review. My name is Roja Syarato Amalia and my partner. Background of the problem is our presentation. The background that will be conveyed this time is about the environmental problems that we have faced in recent years due to the destruction of the ozone layer and the melting of the North Pole. Therefore, we choose a film related to this. Brief synopsis: a short film to end plastic pollution in Southeast Asia. The short film Plastic, produced by Miss Minds and Studio Birthplace, presents a powerful message on how to tackle plastic pollution in Southeast Asia. Through the perspective of a girl named Aisha, the film also invites viewers to be aware of the negative impacts of single-use plastic on the environment and human health. The Problem with Humans. The film is a compelling environmental documentary that explores the devastating effect of climate change, pollution, and unsustainable human activities. It weaves together real-world data, emotional appeals, and striking visual to emphasize the urgency of taking action. Through a combination of narration, music, and imagery, it calls upon individuals and society to acknowledge their role in environmental destruction. Environmental dams. Main issue: plastic. The main issue in this film is the worsening plastic pollution crisis, especially in the Southeast Asia. Mismanaged single-use plastic are pollution our environment, ocean, and even our food. This affect human life and the ecosystem as a whole, causing threats to health and environmental sustainability. Cause of crisis. Number one is increased plastic production, and second one is use of single-use plastic, and the last one is poor waste management. Message: reduce the use of single-use plastic, improve waste management, and introduce innovative solutions to recycle plastic. Mobilize individual and collective action to prevent future plastic pollution. And the last one is use empathy to raise awareness among audience about the negative impact of plastic pollution, especially on young people and marginalized groups. Main issue: problem with humans. The film highlights major environmental problems caused by human activity, focusing on climate change, air pollution, land degradation, and ocean contamination. It shows how global warming leads to extreme weather and ecosystem destruction, while pollution from industry and agriculture threatens human health and biodiversity. Cause of crisis for film problem with humans. Number one is fossil fuel dependence, the continued use of gasoline, power vehicles, and coal-based electricity. Number two is deforestation and agriculture, unsustainable farming method, excessive pesticide use, and habitat destruction. Message: problem with humans. Number one is if humanity does not change, we face mass extinction and global collapse. Number two, everyone must take responsibility, government, business, and individual. Number three, the time to act is now. Waiting any longer will make it impossible to reverse the damage. Number four, there are solutions, but they require collective effort, innovation, and a shift in mindset. Environmental dams, generational conflict. A short film to end plastic pollution in Southeast Asia. Number one is previous generation, ignoring the impact of single-use plastic. Number two, younger generation, forced to face the inherited plastic pollution crisis and must fight for change. Number three, message: younger generation have a responsibility to address plastic pollution, while older generation need to take responsibility for the damage they left behind. The Problem with Humans from the film show the battle between human activity and nature. Number 2, it also raises a tough question. Do we choose a short-term comfort over long-term survival? We know things like gas power, cars, and toxic chemicals are damaging, yet we keep using them. Number 3, we understand climate change is real, but will we actually do something about it before it's too late? Realism, a short film to end plastic pollution in Southeast Asia, shown through the realistic depiction of plastic pollution contaminating the environment in Southeast Asia, the social economic impacts exacerbating the issue, and a green future if no change occurs. The film emphasizes the urgent need for collective action to address the global plastic crisis. From the short film entitled The Problem with Humans to present climate change as an urgent and unavoidable crisis. Instead of relying on fantasy exaggeration, it grounded its message in real-world evidence, statistics, and everyday human behavior.
Hello everyone, my name is Safira Maswari. In here, we'll talk about the visual and sound analysis about the first movie. The short film and the plastic pollution in South Asia is Asia to 2022. The verse is the story focused on child West says the word through a telescope made of plastic bottle. The telescope is used a visual metaphor that consists the child imagination with the reality of the environment under threat. The film shows hyper-realistic scenes of the environment running into plastic waste, and then depicts a serious conscious of the plastic pollution in life and reality. For the next is visual to the next movie. The Problem with Humans. They use dramatic imagery melting ice caps, deforested lands, indirect pollution, and suffering emotion response, referring to urgency and environmental issues. And close-up short, focusing on the ice suffering animals to faces people affected by pollution, create emotion connection. And next is visual and sound analysis for sound effect. The first movies, a short film to end plastic pollution is in Southeast Asia to 2022. Not sound plastic sound city are focus my sound of silence and dramatic sounds. And music car, the movies is opening with natural melody, translation to climax drama and answers, solution and hope, creating melody theme. And the problem with humans in here, the movie used the somber music to reference the music. They use applause in the transcript may introduce moment of impactful dialogue or irony. The Problem with Humans, the second movie, the music begins with a somber and ominous tone, using deep, slow oriental sounds and electronic drums establish sense of foreboding. Dialogue and storytelling approach. Dialogue style of the first movie, short film and plastic pollution in South Asia to 2022. Simple direct dialogue, emotional dialogue, education dialogue, motivational, and call to action. And the short and plastic pollution in South Asia 2022 focus on ending pollution in Southeast Asia called center to the rural communities and tracking plastic waste. The Problem with Humans. Second movies is the strip urgent the persuasive using translate and rhetorical question, action and choice, and focus the environmental human activity, particularly the effect of the climate change, pollution, and research depletion. And emotional engagement. The first film is focused invoking empathy, nature, and wildlife, showcasing in the contrast between present environment and those hurt by plastic pollution, highlight the suffering of animal impact local communities, making the issues credibility and urgent. Carter depth in the second film. The problem humans film success and motivates its audience, making climate change, proportion and origin doesn't just profession for an emotional connection, making viewers more likely to reflect on their action and consider real change. The chapter deep. First movie for short film focus on ending plastic pollution in Southeast Asia. The second movie is in short movie individual characters. It's our response through humanity, whole nature victims of environmental destruction. Critical of effect in developing environmental message. The strength is emotional engagement, actionable sources, visual impact, and secondly is strong emotional impact, visually striking climatology and cleaner the direct message. The weakness. This weakness is short film ending plastic pollution in South Asia to 2022, limited scope, lack of a global, and the next is the problem with humans movies is lack of a blanket perspective, some scientific inquiries, and something like that. And last but not least is conclusion. Conclusion in here, we are our presentation. We summaries for before slide in this. But the film highlight urgent environmental issues, plastic pollution, and human-driven destruction. They emphasize the need of immediate action to protect your planet through environmental visual and powerful message. They call on individuals and communities to take responsibility and make lasting change for sustainable future. Okay guys, thank you for your attention. See you.